Hi there, it's Ben here from Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm given the privilege of showing you around this fantastic, approved used Land Rover Urban Defender 250X Dynamic S90. It features a hardy 3-litre diesel engine and is paired to a smooth automatic gearbox. Starting from the front, it's immediately clear how capable a vehicle this is. The Defender's classic look is still present, but with a contemporary flair thanks to the features added by Urban. These include upgraded wheels, light bar, rear spoiler and wheel cover, all of which perfectly contrast against the fantastic Eiger grey paintwork. Moving down the side towards the rear of the vehicle, you can see how the rugged dynamics are continued. This Defender features blacked out mirrors and exterior trim to continue its urban aesthetic. You may also notice the rear privacy glass that not only looks great, but helps keep this Defender's contents safe from prying eyes. Opening the side hinge tailgate reveals an open and versatile area that can be increased in size by lowering the rear seats. You may also notice the added storage area in the side hinge rear tailgate for your additional convenience. The rear seats of this Defender 90 are as luxurious as they are durable. Passengers will find themselves enjoying a comfortable ride on or off-road whilst illuminated at all times by the Alpine rear roof lights. This Land Rover's cabin is characterised by an encapsulating, bold but simple space that still holds the level of luxury and comfort you can expect from the Land Rover brand. Taking a closer look at the exquisite multifunctional steering wheel, you'll notice it features a sleek look with all the buttons and controls set against a durable design. Sitting behind the wheel of this vehicle, you'll notice these beautiful digital dials set in front of the driver. This screen can be tailored towards your individual preference. Key information about the vehicle, media, the trip computer and display settings can all be accessed and sit alongside your instrument binnacle. The beautiful and rather large integrated touchscreen is a real centerpiece to this Defender's interior. As you can see, it's fully interactive and features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and can provide a great amount of detail about your vehicle and its surroundings. Here you'll find its clear and easy to use navigation system, which really comes into its own when exploring off-road, on long trips and on those weekends away. Not only this, but seamless Bluetooth connectivity is on hand to pair your phone with ease should you wish to do so. The climate control will ensure optimal comfort at any time. Fan speed and the heated seat functions can be adjusted with ease by scrolling to the temperature of your choice. Last but not least, this vehicle's centre console offers multiple charging ports and added storage area as well as a comfortable armrest for your convenience.